Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Zaka binti Azhar 256384. Four important principles that I can get from the article of regulating charitable organisation in Malaysia with special references to Waqaf Corporation are difference between charity and philanthropy in Malaysia, conventional charity and charity in Islam, Waqaf, and the concept of charity in Wales, England and Singapore. Difference between charity and philanthropy in Malaysia. Philanthropy is the concept that related to the element of good, love, mercy to another man, while charity is a system of giving funds, money, food and help because they are poor or ill. Conventional charity and charity in Islam. For conventional charity, there are four headings that been proposed by the Lord Manorton in the case of commissioners for special purposes of income tax against council. Those headings are relief of poverty, advancement of education, advancement of religion and the purposes beneficial to the community. While charity in Islam is including zakat, sadaqah and wakaf. Zakat is one's extra wealth must be given to the poor and those in need. Basically, the amount of zakat had been fixed by the zakat department in each state regarding the extra wealth that you have. Sedekah is you giving something to someone else. Not necessarily money. For example, is smile and giving wise advice and also help others in building masjid. While wakaf is assets of trust and preserve it for the benefits of the beneficiaries. There are three types of wakaf, which are cash wakaf, shares wakaf and wakaf corporate. Wakaf corporate had been put under Jauhar, which is Department Wakaf, Zakat and Hajj. And the purpose of wakaf corporate is for the welfare of the society and community, especially for Muslims. There are 8 requirements that need to be fulfilled by the company in order to be a wakaf corporate, which are corporation established under Company Act 1965 as company limited by guarantee, company to receive endowments in any form of cash, shares, business including land and buildings. Appointed as Nazir by Islamic Religious Authority, company uphold business principle through entrepreneurial effort, higher priority to accumulate and conserve the resources such as 70% annual profit for investment and less than 30% for charity. Business transaction led by the CEO and supervised by the board of directors. Open membership to public by wakaf fee based on the Memorandum of Association of Company, nowadays known as Company Constitution. And the last one is the company must practice good corporate governance. And the last principle is charity in Wales, England and Singapore. Wales and England known as English Charity Commission, while Singapore had Commissioners of Charity, COC. The function of English Charity Commission is to promote the effectiveness charitable resources and to ensure that public support charities with confidence. And the responsibility of English Charity Commission are to register eligible organisations, take action for animal practice, making appropriate information and provide online services and guidance for effectiveness of the charitable organisation. Islamic charitable organisation also follow the same procedure as the conventional charitable organisation. While in Singapore, the objective of the Commissioners of Charity, COC, is to maintain public confidence in charities, to promote compliance, to exercise control and management of the charities, to promote the effectiveness use of charitable resources, and to enhance the accountability of charities. 5 sectors of administrators to assist COC are Ministry of Education, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Social and Family Development, People's Association, and Sports Singapore. However, Singapore oversees some of charity regarding arts and heritage, animal welfare, environmental protection, and religion. That's all. Thank you.